Hey everybody, Monty, Geometry. Friday, week 9, November 13th. The actual assignment today is to fill out the quadrilateral family tree. Okay, this is a quadrilateral. It is a four-sided object. This is a parallelogram. Four-sided object, but it has characteristics. A kite, four-sided object with certain characteristics. Trapezoid, certain characteristics. Okay, a rectangle with certain characteristics. A diamond or a rhombus, certain characteristics. The isosceles trapezoid, two equal sides, just one set of equal sides. The definition of isosceles, make sure you have that. Okay, then it all comes down to the square, and the square is everything that's on the page. Okay, then I provided you with the answer key. It's in the notes section if you need to refresh your memory, because this is where we started school. Now, the key to success today and as we move forward in the school year, what makes what a what? Huh? Four-sided objects. Okay? Parallelogram. A rectangle is a parallelogram. A rhombus is a parallelogram. A square can be a rectangle. A square can be a rhombus, but not the other way. So, remember, only 20 minutes. 20 minutes is the key. Go as far as you can in 20 minutes and then submit it, and I'll give you credit for it. Okay? Answer each of these with always, sometimes, never. Okay? Is a square a rhombus? Okay? A square is a rhombus. You can say that. Okay? But a rhombus is not necessarily a square because it may not have the 90-degree angles. Is a kite a trapezoid? Go through each of these scenarios. That's the most important part. Okay? And then, if you have to, you can refer to the answer key. All right? And it's in your notes section. Thank you for participating. Remember, next week, we're going to focus on the diagonals of each of these shapes. Okay? We're going to focus on the diagonals. Focused on the diagonals. And what happens right here? Are those angles bisected? Are they cut in half? Are they equal to each other? Okay. What happens to the diagonals? Are they bisected? Are they equal to each other? All right. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.